Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about concentration of a solution. So dear student, what is concentration of a solution? The concentration of a solution depends on the amount of solute present in a given amount of the solvent or solution. So we can say, if we write in terms of formula, then we can write concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solvent, or in other term we can write it down amount of solute upon amount of solution. There are two different ways by which we can express concentration of solution, and these are first mass by mass and second one mass by volume. So here you can see by mass percentage of a solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, and if we calculate concentration of a solution using mass by volume, then the formula become mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Dear student, there are some numericals given in your NCERT book related to this topic. You have to practice those numerical, and if you have any query, then you can ask to your subject teacher on your class WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day.